Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to use the Magic Wand tool in Photoshop to select areas based on color. First, open your image in Photoshop. Look at the left toolbar. Click and hold on the Quick Selection tool. Then choose the Magic Wand tool. Now, look at the top options bar. Set the tolerance value. Lower tolerance selects similar colors only. Higher tolerance selects a wider color range. Next, click once on the color you want to select. Photoshop selects all matching colors. If you want to select more areas, hold Shift and click again. If you select too much, hold Alt and click to subtract. Why this matters? Color-based selection saves time on simple images. Great for backgrounds, logos, and flat designs. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.